All right, let's discuss separation here. All right, so the idea of colonizing was originally like, hey, listen, we're gonna go in there, we're gonna kind of conquer. Okay, now one of the first pieces of land England decided to conquer was Ireland. Okay, the Irish people, right? So the crown had already some form of claim to Ireland, sort of say, right? And what they did was, in the late 16th century, they went ahead and they began to colonize Ireland, right? Now, the Irish people were not in favor of homeland England's invasion, right? So there was a lot of internal affairs, okay, which it was we can describe it as brutal, right? So now you have separation. Here, let's read the question. England learned that blank was needed due to the intensity of the colonizing process of Ireland. It was concluded that separation was needed. Separation between the native population and the settlements. All right. Now it says here the native population, right? So, of course, from this perspective, especially when colonizing Ireland, with the native population was, of course, the Irish people, right? But when we go into the New World, the native population was the Native Americans, right? And so England learned that separation was needed due to the experience of colonizing Ireland, right? That there would be many internal affairs, right? A lot of bloodshed, a lot of we'll say political indifferences between who's already established on that land and those who are trying to establish themselves on that land. All right, so separation was a must, was a must from between the native population and the settlements. Right, this was home, and England, learning this from Ireland, they went ahead and they adopted this same idea and implemented it in the New World.